Wealth creation knowledge made simple. Welcome to Family FinServe Investor Academy. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed our earlier videos and learned a lot from these videos as well as shared them with your near and dear ones so that each and everyone can benefit and manage their money and financial life goals better. In our last video, we learned about the financial life goals pyramid and how having this pyramid always at the top of your mind will give you complete clarity towards managing your money better and leading a stress free financial life. And then we spoke about the five pillars of financial well being, which will give you a structured roadmap towards your and your family's better financial future. Today, we will be delving deeper into the first two pillars. Pillar number one, organize. Let us take an example to understand. So, let's say you are planning to take an international vacation. I'm sure each one of you loves it. What do? Do you get all the necessary requirements for such a trip in order beforehand? Yes, we get our passports and our visas ready. We look for better deals. We get our flight and hotel bookings done. We get our foreign exchange in place. And we also decide which places we need to visit when we are at that international location. And this is exactly what is called as planning and organizing. But what are the advantages of planning and organizing in advance? Number one, in this case, you will get better deals on flights and hotels. You can be flexible with your itinerary during the vacation and you can be stress free during the travel. Similarly, if your personal and family finances are organized well, it will give you peace of mind and you would have less worries and you will be in the best possible position to achieve all your financial life goals comfortably. With the purpose of helping each and every one of you organize your financial life better, we have curated two simple yet very effective documents, namely Family Vision Statement and Family Financial Information and Documents Kit. ये दोनों documents के लिए, to get these documents completely free, you can find the description in the link below. And in case you need our assistance with these documents, feel free to connect with us over a call, email us, or WhatsApp us. Pillar number two is budgeting. I have no idea where my money goes. I have nothing left to save. What investing plan are you talking about? Where is the money? I'm sure each of you remember saying these sentences sometime or the other. Not knowing where our money goes is not a peculiar problem to a certain personality. One of the key reasons that we make these statements is that we do not have an effective cash flow system and a budgeting system in place. Think of a cash flow and a budgeting system as a simple way to demarcate your money between spending, saving, and investing. I don't know about you, but in my earlier days when I had started working, I have had this experience several times. Whatever may be the amount of cash in the wallet, or in the home, or in the bank, or in my salary account, it always used to get spent. Large chunks of unused money always cried out to be used, or get borrowed away, or spent on an impulse purchase before I personally implemented this amazing cash flow and budgeting system along with the money management concept that we are going to learn in our next video. For a moment, just think as if you are the chief financial officer of a company. Now, how does financial planning happen in your company? Obviously, in the first few months of the financial year, a budget is prepared. And every month, the actual cash flows are tracked against the budget to find out if there are any variances and take corrective actions is as necessary. If you follow a similar budget process and system for your personal and family finances, you will definitely be in a better position to effectively and optimally manage, save, invest your money to achieve your future financial goals. So stay tuned for the next video where I will reveal my simple money management, cash flow and budgeting system and share an easy to use tool with each one of you. Thank you for watching, and for more such interesting and simple videos on basics of personal finance, like this video and subscribe to our channel.